Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2025 Chevrolet Trax LT. Comes equipped with a 1.2 liter turbo engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as heated bucket seats, heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, cruise control, and so much more. Come check it out. So you're going to have this two-tone interior with paneling coupled to storage on the bottom next to the speakers. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors and windows, and chrome accent handle. And you're going to have these manually adjustable heated bucket seats. And left side will be your vents with your lighting control there. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side being your voice recognition and audio and phone control. It's going to be push to start and on to the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. Here you hit vehicle status, and that's going to give you maintenance gauges and trip info with traction control and electronic stability up top. Oops. Ooh, it's a bit cold. Passenger side, climate controls down below, and you're going to have 2 USB ports with auto stop and lane keep assist, and your center console here with extra storage. Now passenger side, same finish, the two-tone interior all across with the blue accents, speakers and vents at top, and then huge access reader lamps, and your OnStar and SOS. So you're gonna have these 17-inch wheels on Hannock Dynapro HP2 tires with paint match mirror caps and central door handles, black luggage side rail up top, tinted rear glass in the back with the black lettering and badging. And you're gonna have the splitter with the 60/40 roof rolling split seats with extra storage down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, again, more paneling storage next to the speaker, power window with the chrome accent. Back, pretty decent legroom, USB ports and a little storage right there with the lamps at top and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2025 Chevrolet Trax LT, equipped with a 1.2 liter turbo engine, as well as heated seats, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.